behalf of Kiwis Food Rescue, I'd like to sincerely thank everybody at New World for their amazing support.
It's community looking after community, and it's what we should do. We've got a couple of really good partners. Foodstuffs have been really good to us, particularly through the New World network.
Yeah, I think they were doing upwards of 100 families a day, 150 families a day, so 150 families are going to have tea that night.
I just want to give a massive shout out to the amazing team at New World all around the country who've partnered with our teams to enable us to get groceries out to older people and those medically vulnerable around the country.
Opportunity comes out of adversity, and this is that opportunity to make a really meaningful difference.